How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So if you want to learn how it's done, then this video is for you. So just head over in here for your settings. Then from in there, just scroll down. By the way, you should use this by using other account. So from in there, you should be able to see something like support right here. Click on I need help. Then once you have done that, this will load your Snapchat. So from in there, just click on this, my account is compromised. Click on that. And then once you have clicked on that, this will direct it in this, wherein you can submit a request in order to appeal your account. So for this, let's just wait for this right here. Just choose in here, I can't access my account right here. And then I think my account was compromised. Then from in there, just scroll down and they will be able to show you these things right here that you can actually do. But if you don't actually get the solution out of those, then you can just fill this up. Just put in your username, your email, and your mobile number, and in the description put something like, I don't think my account should be limited like this because I didn't violate any terms and policies. You can say something like that. Then from in there, just click on submit. So just wait for them to 3 to 5 days in order to reply to you, and your Snapchat support code SS06 should be fixed. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Snapchat support code SS06. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and try my best to answer them. Thanks.